Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your account and regional eligibility. Sign in to the same Xbox account that has Game Pass Ultimate. This is required. Once signed in, make sure your Xbox profile region or Microsoft account country matches a supported cloud region because unsupported regions block titles. Also check your device OS and network. Ensure 10 Mbps or higher and low latency. If not, switch to a wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Doing these first prevents wasted troubleshooting later. Next, confirm the title itself is available for cloud play. Search the Xbox Cloud Gaming Library from the app or browser and look for the cloud icon. Absence means it isn't currently supported. If the title is listed but not playable, read publisher notes. Some games are temporarily removed for licensing or technical reasons. Once done, try launching from the cloud library rather than from your installed library. That ensures you hit the cloud delivery path, instead of a local or console-only launch. Finally, resolve common access issues and retry. Clear the Xbox app or browser cache, fully sign out and sign back in to refresh entitlement tokens. This often fixes permission errors. Make sure any VPN is disabled because region masking blocks cloud writes. Use a supported network or tether to a phone as a quick test. If the title still shows unsupported, collect the error message and timestamps. Then contact Xbox support with those logs so they can escalate licensing or server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.